Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Install the Deriv Analysis Tool and verify 8 GB RAM and required disk space so processes don't stall. Next, generate an API key with proper scopes and store it securely. This prevents unexpected permission errors. Once done, create a new project and import 1 to 3 data sources such as CSV or API endpoints. Then preview sample rows to ensure the columns and formats match your analysis plan. You now build the main pipeline and focus on reliable transforms, normalize columns by trimming whitespace, enforcing data types, and replacing nulls with defaults or median values to avoid bias. Then configure the analysis pipeline. Choose indicators, set window sizes, and chain transformations. Enable parallel processing if available to speed up heavy tasks. Once configured, run a dry run to inspect logs and sample outputs. Make sure memory and CPU usage remain healthy. You finish by exporting and validating results. Pick CSV, JSON, or a database sync and attach metadata and version tags so outputs are reproducible. Then validate outputs with summary checks and spot check critical rows, comparing key metrics against your baseline to confirm correctness. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting step. Check the tool logs for the failing stage, then rerun that stage with smaller batch sizes or increased memory limits to isolate and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.